Good morning students and welcome to the part 2 of the video. In this we will be talking about the objectives of advertising, the techniques that are used and also advertising and some regulations that are imposed by the government. Okay, now what are the objectives of advertising? There are basically three objectives of advertising. First, it is to communicate information about particular product, service or brand. Second, persuade people to buy the product, and third, keep the organization in public eye, and it is also known as institutional advertising. Clear? Now first, it says communicate information about particular product, service or brand. It basically includes announcing the launch of the product or the service, where it is purchased and how to use it. Second, it persuades people to buy the product. Obviously, the main motive of every advertising is to persuade the people to go and buy the product. Now then, third, it is keep the organization in public eye. You all must have heard that out of sight is out of mind. जो अगर कुछ टाइम तक अगर आपकी आंखों से इधर उधर रहता है तो हम सब भूल जाते हैं, राइट? सो इट्स द मेन टारगेट इज़ टू बी इन द पब्लिक साइड. तभी आपने देखा होगा कि कई एड्स होते हैं जो कॉन्टिन्यूसली रिपीट होते रहते हैं. सो इट इज़ वन ऑफ द टेक्निक्स ऑफ एडवर्टाइजिंग. क्लियर? Okay, now we will be talking about the techniques of advertising. Actually, there are various techniques of advertising. First, it is repetition. Now, as I told that some advertisers simply attempt to be in the public eye by repeating the advertisements, okay, so that the people remember the brand name. Second, it is testimonials. Now, advertisers often attempt to promote their product through the recommendation of actual users. Like you all must have heard, अगर कोई भी I guess कोई भी टूथपेस्ट का ऐड आता है तो उसमें होता है 3 out of 4 डेंटिस्ट रिकमेंड, है ना? या जो डव का ऐड आता है उसमें आपने देखा होगा कि देयर आर एक्चुअल यूज़र्स जो बताते हैं कि मतलब उनकी स्किन कितनी सॉफ्ट हो गई है आफ्टर यूजिंग द डव सोप. Clear? Then it is appeal to emotion. Now, appeal to emotion simply means appeals to sensibilities are often used by charitable organizations. Emotional appeals have become very popular in the health industry. Now, as we all know that corona बहुत ज़्यादा this pandemic is spread, so जो है उसमें every you must have seen in the advertisement they try to tell you appeal through emotions कि आप लोग प्लीज़ मास्क लगाइए else you मतलब किसी की लाइफ जा सकती है etc. Okay, and then you have advertising slogans. You all have heard the catchy slogans that attract the attention of the people, right? So these are the various techniques, and there are others like bandwagon and then association. Now what happens in association? Advertisers try to associate the product with some desirable images. For example, Amitabh Bachchan doing an ad of some snacks or something. Okay, so all these things are the various techniques of advertising. Now see students, advertising today has become a powerful tool, and it is a powerful force shaping the attitude and behavior of the people. It has an impact on how people understand themselves, their life and the world. It influences their value system, and indirectly it shapes the society. Okay, there are some actually advertisement has to do nothing with the positive or the negative aspects of a product or anything. For example, there are advertisements which promote tobaccos. Years ago it was banned by the government. Like it says, the ban imposed on advertising tobacco and alcohol on television. Okay, so all these things are some basic regulations which affect actually to see to the public's negative and positive aspect. It is the work of the government. Okay, so उन्होंने क्या किया, उनको जो भी लगा कि there are some advertisements which are negatively affecting the lives of the people, because in a way advertisements do affect our lives, right? अगर कोई चीज़ अच्छी होती है वी डू गो एंड बाय देम. अगर कोई चीज़ के नेगेटिव एस्पेक्ट्स होते हैं वी डोंट बाय देम. जनरली जब हम कुछ ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग भी करते हैं तो हम रिव्यूज़ ज़रूर चेक करते हैं, राइट, कि पॉजिटिव है या नेगेटिव है, और अगर उसका नेगेटिव इफेक्ट ज़्यादा होता है तो वी अवॉइड यूजिंग दैट. Everybody does that, right? The same way जब अल्कोहल और टोबैको के प्रमोशंस होते एडवर्टीजमेंट्स आते थे तो इस पर बैन लगा दिया गया by the government. Clear? So advertising does play an important role in the process of human development. So moreover, it can contribute to the betterment of society by motivating people to act in ways that benefit themselves and others. Clear? I hope the entire chapter is clear to you. To sum up, I would like to just tell you few points. Like advertisement, we all know, is divided into three categories: commercial, social and political advertising. Then advertising builds a reputation for the brand. Advertising uses several techniques to win customers for products. And then advertising has an indirect but powerful impact on the people, on the society, through its influence on the media. Okay, now just go and read the chapter, and if there's any doubt, do let me know. Okay, so have a great day ahead. Thank you, students.